Welcome to Go Podcast. Umubeasiyenyaini. Today, we embark on a journey through time to uncover the layers of our history that are often left in the shadows. In this first episode, Oromo and Menelik II, we examine the foundations of the Ethiopian Empire, the impact of 19th century expansion, and the untold stories of the Oromo people. Thank you for joining us for this vital conversation, Oromo and Menelik II. The first episode. Menelik was the son of Haile Selassie. Menelik II was told to kill non-Christians in 1889 armed with Sotala, was blessed and appointed King of Kings, advised to expand the colony. Like other Ethiopian kings, Menelik's aim was to destroy the Oromo people. How could Menelik defeat the Oromo, whom the Ethiopian kings fought for 450 years and could not completely defeat? If we say we have to understand the development of miniature, straight my face and learn under the neighbor's door, says the proverb. Menelik grew up in the palace of Tewodros under the name of captive. There were many English go French in Tewodros's palace. The French son are mostly espionage in the name of religion. The world agenda of the day was about colonizing the country. So Menelik learned brutality from Tewodros. He learned from the British how to divide the people and fight against Sankolantrit Kit Kungbisai. Menelik, though physically black, was raised in the hearts of the British colonists, and he testifies to them. All Ethiopian kings, whether it is Menelik or Haile Selassie, are not known to say that we are black. #MO, Ambessazi Imnegadis Judah, they call themselves. So Menelik is a white colonialist who painted black. He said, I never called myself a black Kush race. The rabbit himself him Jenny, and should not be called him by it. There is evidence that Menelik brought weapons and military intellectuals from abroad to attack the Oromo and the people of the south, killed millions of people, looted the people's property, sold them abroad, bought weapons and sold slaves. Emperor Menelik, the founder of the Ethiopian Empire, and his wife at one time owned 70 slaves, and he was considered Ethiopia's great slave entrepreneur to obtain slaves and economic resources. Famine during the second half of the 19th century. Source: the master ideology of the Oromo national movement. Knoxville, USA 2009 p3. Meaning, Menelik, who built the Ethiopian Empire, and his wife had 70,000 slaves. Menelik had no rival in enslaving and selling the people in Ethiopia. The sprouting Ethiopian Empire declared genocide against the Oromo people to collect slaves and economic resources. The population had dropped from 10 million to 5 million in the course of the war. Slavery, massacre, disease, and war brought famine in the second half of the 19th century. As he assigned his army to hunt and capture the Oromo and sell them abroad.